Sisters, it's me, Tiffany Taylor, and today we are going to be opening this light up tracing pad. Today we're going to be opening this light up tracing pad, and it only needs 3 batteries. They're not included, so you have to get them yourself. And it's for 6 years old. Alright, so let's just open it. I know. Whoa! This is so cool. It does an on and off button. Right now it's off. Whoa. And a plus sign. What is this for? Now it's time to add the batteries in. So this is everything that it comes with. Blank paper, colored paper, crayons, and a pencil. So let's test it. First, you grab your colored paper. Then you grab your blank paper. Then you turn it on. Then you grab your pencil and start tracing. I'm all done drawing my monkey. Now it's time to add the accessories. I'm gonna add a golden medal. It has to be hanging on his neck. So cute! The monkey won. Oh, wow. Well, I think I'm all done. This is how my picture looks. I added a hair clip and a chef hat, a golden medal, and that's all the accessories I add. I'm going to turn off the light and use the color pencils it came with. There we go. Now it's time to color. The hair clip is going to be this color. Ooh, this small. We ended up putting these papers in the sheet protectors so they don't get wrinkled. But now it's time to show you how my picture is. Ta-da! This is my monkey. I colored the clip and the metal, pink and blue and more pink, green and orange and blue, light blue. And I wanted to keep the hat white because shift hats are white. So I think this tracing pad is really going to help me learn to draw. It is Tiffany approved. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye!